Pamputtae goes gospel? The artist surprised fans as she announced her latest single, God on Time, a collaboration with gospel singer Minister Tanisha Shaw. Minister Shaw took to her IG page on Tuesday and shared clips of the two vibing to the song and this impromptu video of them performing the song.
God forward, them can't stop. My God, now me don't worry about that. Tell them, God on time. We no fear evil or no bad mind. God on time. Tell the devil boy, say, no worry.
The single is not yet officially released, but is already being reviewed by music critics and fans, as many raised brows at the single mother DJ for switching to gospel while being positioned as a dancehall act. God on Time is produced by Esco. The two are currently working on the video for the song. Jamaica's Film Commissioner Renee Robinson has been elected to be a member of the Association of Film Commissioners International's AFCI board. Ms. Robinson spoke to E-Prime on the benefits her appointment will have on the development of Jamaican films on the global stage.
Many of these new commissions are from locations around the world that are developing economically, politically, and within their regulations and infrastructures. Many of these new commissions represent populations of diversity that have for a long time occupied the perimeters of mainstream film. Many of these commissions look to Jamaica as a leader. So I look forward to utilizing my almost 20 years of working in the screen industry to continue to represent Jamaica and film commissions all across the globe to support the use of screen industries to maximize the economic, cultural, and social impact.
The Jamaica Film Commission operates under the Jamaica Promotions Corporation JAMPRO, whose mission is to drive economic development through growth in investment and export, while the AFCI is a global non-profit organization that represents national film commissions on 6 continents. Models from Saint International shined at the recently concluded New York Fashion Week Fall-Winter 2022 designer collections. Models Tammy Williams, Naki DePass, Wayne Booth, and Barbara Lee Grant were catwalkers for an impressive list of ready-to-wear designers. Also making a prominent appearance on the New York City runways was Saint's Nigerian model sensation Tamiwa, who made her debut in The City That Never Sleeps for designers Zola Johnson and Gabriella Hurst. Saint models are currently taking the runways at London Fashion Week. Nice. Now, Korean pop boy band BTS has announced their Las Vegas residency. BTS will have a limited 4-night residency for their Permission to Dance in Las Vegas this April, as they're set to headline the 65,000 capacity stadium in Las Vegas. The residency was announced ahead of the South Korean leg of their tour scheduled for this March. This signals the opening of many entertainment markets and the return of the extremely successful Billboard chart history makers on tour. I am Deidre Gordon reporting for E-Prime.